Hello, and welcome to the City Pulse demo. City Pulse is a new Smarter City solution. It's built on the IBM Intelligent Operations Center and designed to improve communication between citizens and their cities. Samantha lives in a city that recently deployed City Pulse. On her way home, she notices a big pothole in the street. She's concerned that it'll cause damage to cars and create traffic problems. Samantha uses the new City Pulse service to report the problem to City Hall. She sends the city a simple text SMS message saying huge hole in the road near 121 Bleecker Street. The City Pulse system parses the report issue and analyzes its type and location. It then forwards the information to the City Operations Center for validation. When she gets home, Samantha logs into the City Pulse website to see what else is going on in her neighborhood. She reviews the updates published by the city, including recent renovations done on the library down the street. Samantha also looks over some of the other open issues in the city, including a broken street light near her favorite playground. She votes to fix this issue and adds her opinion to the online discussion. Samantha would like to get more involved in improving the quality of life in her city. She defines a city view that reflects the area and categories she's interested in and chooses the follow-up action. This way, Samantha can stay updated on things that matter to her in her neighborhood. Daniel lives in the same city as Samantha and installed the City Pulse app on his smartphone. The application lets him review city updates and issues reported on the city. Daniel is about to take his son out to the playground, so he looks into the broken streetlight issue next to the playground. He finds this issue important and votes to get it fixed. He then chooses the option to be notified when the repair is completed. When Daniel arrives at the playground, he notices that one of the slides is broken and decides to report it. He opens the City Pulse application, types slide to find the correct category, confirms his current location, takes a picture of the slide, and adds a short description. Back at the City Hall, Gabrielle watches the City Pulse operations dashboard, which provides a full view of all issues in the city. The City Pulse operations dashboard is integrated with IBM's Intelligent Operations Center. City executives can monitor the status of all non-emergency issues in the context of other city domains, such as water and transportation. In our case, the city chooses to monitor City Pulse metrics, such as the number of currently open issues. The Intelligent Operations Center infrastructure is dynamic and can be configured to support additional metrics and also display events reported by City Pulse in the Citywide Operations dashboard. Gabrielle starts by looking at the new items that were reported. She looks at the pothole reported by Samantha and sees that the text message was analyzed correctly by the City Pulse engine and was associated with a correct category and location. She can decide to edit the new report or cancel it if it's not appropriate. Gabrielle decides to confirm the request and assigns a team to fix the pothole immediately. Gabrielle also sees the broken slide problem, reviews its details, and confirms that this is a valid request that should be handled by the city. She's also been notified that the broken streetlight issue was fixed. She opens the report, updates its status, and marks it as closed. As soon as Gabrielle at the Operations Center confirms Samantha's report, Samantha is notified via SMS that the request is being handled by the city. Since she chose to follow up on all issues in her neighborhood, she's also notified of the broken slide and that the streetlight issue was fixed. Later, she can view all these messages on the notifications page on the City Pulse website. Daniel receives push notifications from the City Pulse engine on his smartphone. When he opens the City Pulse app, he sees that his new report for the broken slide was confirmed, and also sees that the streetlight problem was fixed. As you can see from the scenarios described here, City Pulse provides both the citizens and city officials with a dynamic solution to improve engagement and quality of life in the city. Thank you for watching the CityPulse demo. For more information, contact the IBM Software Lab in Israel.